Let me make a new entry over my Google Sheet and see whether we receive a WhatsApp message or not. So right here I have made this entry having the user's full name as demo user, email address, the phone number and the city and the product in which my user is interested. Now let's move on towards my WhatsApp to see the magic. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp message which says, "Hi demo user, we notice you are interested in Pabbly chat flow." And right here you can check out that I'm getting the same name of the user, and right here I'm getting the same product in which my user has shown its interest. So you can see that as soon as I have made a new entry over my Google Sheet, a WhatsApp message is instantly sent to my user. So now let me show you how you can also create this automation by using which you can instantly send WhatsApp messages to your Google Sheet lead. And for that you have to use only one automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect, which can integrate varieties of application. So now let's move on towards the workflow page and create this automation within 5 minutes. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by tapping its URL over the new tab. That is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will be on the home page of Pabbly, where if you are a new user then you have to sign up for free, and if you are an existing user then you can just click over the sign in. And Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial, so make sure to use it. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you the heaviest discount compared to other coupon codes, and it is valid for the yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly, so make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page, where we have to select the trigger application, that is going to be the Google Sheet, as I want to initiate my workflow as soon as a new lead is added over here. Now let's select the app event as new or updated spreadsheet row and build the connection. And now we are getting this webhook URL which will help us to build the connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheet. So here I have copied it. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet, where I have made a new test entry, and right here the last data column is E. Now for adding the webhook URL, let's move on towards the extensions, select add-ons and select get add-ons. And on the Google Workspace Marketplace, we have to search for the application, that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks, which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions. And here we are getting this option for Pabbly Connect Webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup. And we are getting this dialog box where we have to add the webhook URL which we have just received, and the trigger column, that is the last data column of the Google Sheet, that is E. So here I'm going to enter it as E. Now let's click over the submit button. And here the setup has been configured successfully, means the setup is built in. Now we have to send the test data to the Pabbly Connect. So right here we are having the test data which I'm going to send to my Pabbly Connect by simply selecting the send test button. And here the test data has been sent successfully. So now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect and check for it. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 8 seconds ago we have received this response, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled. Now for automatically receiving the data from the Google Sheet, you have to move towards the extensions, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks and enable this send on event, so that you don't have to manually send the test data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch it. And now as we are having the data, we have to send WhatsApp message to this particular lead. So here I am going to use Pabbly Chat Flow for sending WhatsApp message to my leads, which is an amazing application provided by Pabbly. So right here you can see that this is one of an application provided by Pabbly, by using which you can send WhatsApp messages to your leads and can support your customers over the WhatsApp by using AI assistants and chatbots. So right here I'm going to send WhatsApp message for my Google Sheet leads using this application. Now let's select the app event as send text message. Now let's click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you have to select this button of add new connection, and here we have to enter the token. And for getting this token you have to access Pabbly Chat Flow. So as I have clicked over this access now button, I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Chat Flow where you have to go towards the settings where you will see this option of API and webhooks which you have to select, and right here you can see that we are getting this API which you can paste over the Pabbly Connect and can send WhatsApp message. And here I'm going to enter my token, and now let's click over the save button, and here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting is for entering the recipient's WhatsApp mobile number. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, here I'm going to use a method provided by Pabbly Connect, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my recipient's mobile number from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets. And for that, you have to select the field and the slash symbol. And here we are getting our previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map my user's phone number. Now it is asking me to enter the WhatsApp message. So here I'm going to enter the WhatsApp message to be sent to my user. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my user, and here after this word hi, I'm going to enter the name of the user. So you know that I'm not going to manually enter anything because here I'm going to map this data. So here I have mapped the full name of my user. Now here after this sentence, that is we notice you are interested in, here I'm going to map the product in which my user is interested. So for that again I'm going to use the response of my Google Sheet. So here I'm getting the product in which my user is interested. So here I have mapped it, and here for the WhatsApp mobile number, this is just a dummy number. So I'm going to replace this mobile number with my phone number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving. So here I have entered my mobile number. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request as these fields are not necessary. And as I have clicked over here, I'm receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a WhatsApp message might be sent. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp where you can see I'm successfully receiving this message which says hi test user, we notice you are interested in Pabbly Connect. And right here you can see that we are getting the same name of the user and the same product for which my user has shown the interest. So now you can also create this automation by using which you can send WhatsApp messages from the Google Sheet data. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created for your reference, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT for getting the heavy discount. So thank you for watching this video.